Hi friends, this is Nirmal Patel from Akshay Education, and in this video guys, we are going to learn a cool trick how to multiply any number by 11 or 111 or 1111 or even 11,111 guys. So that's going to be really cool trick. If you had two 11s, so two ones, three ones, or four ones, or five ones, or even more than five, like six or seven ones, you can multiply by using this trick just in 2 or 3 seconds. In step number 1, friends, if you're multiplying 63 times 11, your first step is how many ones? So there are two ones. You go to minus 1. So 2 minus 1 is 1. So you're going to put down 1, 0 on the left hand side and right hand side both, guys. What is the first step? If there are two ones, then you're going to put down 1, 0 both the sides. If you're multiplying by 3 ones, you're going to put down 2, 0 and 2, 0 on the both the side. If you're multiplying by 4 ones, then you'll be adding 3 zeros and 3 zeros both the sides. So 1 less 0 than your number of ones you are going to add on your both the sides. It's step number 1. Good guys, yeah? Now guys, second step is how many ones? 2 ones. So make a pair of two numbers, guys, and we'll keep on adding. So my first pair is this 3 and 0. So 3 plus 0 is 3. And then I'll just take this number off and I'll make next pair, guys. 6 plus 3, which is going to be 9. Then I'll just take this off. I'll make this pair. 6 plus 0 is going to be 6. So 693 is my answer. Again, guys, what is the first step? We're going to count how many ones. 2 ones, we're going to put on 1, 0 on both the sides. 3 ones, then 2, 0 on both the sides. 4 ones, then 3 zeros on both the sides. And then, whatever is the number of ones, you're going to make the pair of this many numbers and keep on adding. You can just take one digit and then add the next digit, and that's how you're going to get it, guys. Again, we'll be doing a few more questions, and that will clear you up totally. But now the next question, guys, as you do have some idea, do that question with me as well, or you can pause the video and do that question before me, and then you can check your answer, guys. That'll be more exciting, yeah? So are you trying? No, try it, guys, yeah? So what is the first step, guys? 481. How many ones? 1, 2, 3. There are 3 ones, so 1 less 0. So 2 zeros here and 2 zeros here. I'm going to put it. Now, how many digits am I going to add, guys? 1, 2, 3. 3 ones. So 3 digits at a time, guys. So they are the pair of 3 digits. 1 plus 0, that's going to be just 1. I will just take this off and I will just add this number now. So that's going to be 8 plus 1, which is 9. I'll take this off. I'll add that. 4 plus 8, 12 plus 1, 13. So 3 and 1 carry. Guys, I'm going to write down only one digit. If it is a 2-digit number, put down that as a carry, guys. Now I'll just take this 1 off. I'll add this. So 8 plus 4, 12. 12 plus 0, 12. 12 plus 1, 13. So 3 here, 1 here. And then I'll just take this off and I'll add this. So 4 plus 1, which is 5. So this is my answer, guys, yeah? I'm just being a bit slow to explain you, but once you understand, guys, you can go really quick, yeah? So my next question, but here, you're going to pause the video, you're going to do it as well, and then you're going to check it with me, yeah? So what is the first step? Oh, did you? So how many zeros did you add, guys? My first question. How many zeros here and here? Did you add how many? 6 zeros? No, right? There are the 4 ones. So 1 less, which is going to be 3. So 3, 0 here and 3, 0 here. Is that good, guys? Yeah. Now, how many ones? 4 ones. So we'll be just adding up 4 digits at a time. So my 4-digit pair here, and if I add them, that's going to be 5. 1 digit off, 1 next digit on. 8 plus 5, 13. So 3, 1 carry. 1 digit again off and on here. 8 plus 5, 13. 13 plus 3, 16. 16 plus 1, 17. So 7 here and 1 carry. My 1 0 is off again. I'll add this up. So 8 plus 5, 13 plus 3, 16, 16 plus 1, 17. So 7 here and 1 here. Now this number is off and this is on. 8 plus 3, 11. 11 plus 1 is 12. So that is going to be like this. And now guys, last one is just 3. 3 plus 1 is 4. So this is our answer, guys. Finally, friends, mega question. 4836 multiplied by 11,111. Pause the video, guys. Try this before I do it, and then you can check your answer with me. Yeah? So let us say, what is the first step? 4836. So I'm going to just write it down, guys. 4836. Now, guys, we're going to put down few zeros here and there. But how many? Let me count. How many ones? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 ones, 1 less 0. So I'm going to put down 4 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4. And 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, 5 ones. So 1 less 0, 4 0 here, 4 0 here. Now, guys, there are 5 ones. So 5 digits I go to add up at once, guys. Yeah. So I'll be taking this one, and the addition is 6. Now you know the method, guys. So I'm going to go a little bit faster. So that is going to be just 6. That is off, and the next digit is on. 6 plus 3, 9. Again, this is off, on. 6 plus 8, 14. 14 plus 3, 17. 7 here, 1 carry, and that 0 is off, and that number is on. 6 plus 4, 10. 18. 21, 22, so 2 here and 2 here. I can take this 0 off and that number on. And if I add them up again, 6 plus 4, 10, 18, 21, and 2, 23. So 3 here and 2 going to be here. Again, that 6 is off and next number is on. And if I add them up, 8 plus 4, 12, 12 plus 3, 15, and 15 plus 2 is going to be 17, guys. So I'll put down 7 here and 1 here. Again, that is off. Next number on. So I'm going to do now 8 plus 4, 12, and 12 plus 1, which is 13. So 3 here and 1 here. Now again, I can take this off and this is on. So this is just 4. 4 plus 1 is 5. So this, guys, big answer, like, looks like 53,732,796, guys. We can get that just in few seconds, guys. And if you don't believe me, guys, put on this in a calculator, guys, and check that as well. All right. And if you did not subscribe yet, guys, subscribe to the channel so that you can enjoy more maths tricks like this, guys. Also share this with your friends and family, guys, so you can spread this wisdom of maths, guys, to more people. Thank you so much for watching. I'm going to see you guys in the next video. Bye.